Hey guys, Q&A Part 1. Like Love Cat, Dandy's World, Blue, and yeah, of course. I honestly don't have one. And definitely He's My Man by Love Cat. Yeah, I do. I make art. I drew the sprite I have right now. I love sushi, and I never watched Madoka, but it looks so cool. My fandoms are in my channel bio. Definitely a ferret. They're so cute. Coquette. I don't even know why, I just love it. My fave video game character is Rosalina, and my favorite show is The Amazing Digital Circus. Honestly never heard of it, and I started ranting because of someone called Erica Rants, but she turned out problematic, sadly. Yes, that's all for part 1. Write any other questions in the comments. Vivi heading out.